How are you? My name is Josue Lopez, and today we're going to make some experiments using the Gauss law. First, we're going to make an experiment using the Boyle law. For this experiment, we need the following materials. We need a thick plastic bottle with a plug, a balloon, and a scissors. First, we have to make a hole in the plug of the bottle with a scissor, and then we have to make a hole at the bottom part of the bottle also. And then we have to introduce the balloon into the hole of the plug. Okay, and then we have to introduce the balloon inside the bottle. Then we have to inflate the balloon without putting our finger in the hole of the bottle. As you can see, when I put my finger, the balloon doesn't deflate, but when I get my finger out, the balloon deflates in an easy way. This happens because as the volume of the gas in the balloon increases, the pressure decreases, making the balloon to stay inflated. But if we allow air to enter inside it, the pressure will increase and the volume will decrease according to Boyle's law. For this second experiment of Boyle's law, we need the following materials. We need a plastic bottle and a balloon. We have to introduce the balloon in the part of the bottle. Well, as you can see, when I press the bottle, the balloon is inflated. This is because by pressing, we reduce the volume of the gas, causing the pressure to increase, and that is what makes the volume to stay inflated. Right now I'm going to make experiments using the Charles law. For the first experiment, we need the following materials. We need a plastic bottle with a balloon and a bowl with hot water. We have to introduce the plastic bottle with the balloon in the hot water. And we can see how the hot water inflates the balloon. This is because as the temperature of the gas inside the bottle increases, also its volume will increase. So that is what makes the balloon to stay inflated. For this second experiment of Charles' law, we need these following materials. We need a liner or match, a colorant, a bowl of glass, a candle, water, and a bottle of glass. First, we have to turn on the candle. Okay, then we have to introduce the water into the bowl. Okay, then we have to add the colorant. Okay, and then we have to introduce the rosin bottle inside the candle. Okay, as we can see, the candle turned on and the water starts to go up. And this is because while we put the bottle, the heat of the candle hits the gas inside the bottle, causing its volume to increase. But when the bottle enters in contact with the water, the oxygen runs out and the candle starts to burn out, and the gas starts to being cooled down, thus reducing its volume. But the space left by the gas, it has to be occupied. That is why the water goes up. We're going to make an experiment using Gay-Lussac's law. For this experiment, we need this material. We need a balloon with some air, a bottle, and a bowl with hot water. First, we have to introduce the balloon in the bottle that I have it already. Then, I have to introduce the bottle into the bowl with hot water. And we wait a few minutes. As you can see, the balloon fly away of the bottle. This happens because when the temperature of the gas in the bottle increases, the pressure of this increases too. This pressure that increases, it makes the balloon to fly away, completing like this a Gay-Lussac's law. And now we are going to make an experiment using the combined law of gases. For this experiment, we need the following materials. We need a bowl with cold water, a spoon, a can, tweezers, and a stove. We can also use a candle, but it's more effectively with a stove. So first, I'm going to introduce 2 cups of water into the can. Then I will put the can into the stove, and we have to wait a few minutes until it has vapor. Okay, as you can see, the can is like this. This happens because the gas inside the can in contact with the cold water, it's compressed, and that is what makes the can in that state.